Hi, I'm Andrew Buchanan. I'm a partner with the law firm of Buchanan, Williams, and O'Brien. Trucking accidents are much different than ordinary car wrecks. A fully loaded tractor trailer can weigh over 80,000 pounds. So if you have a wreck with one of these big rigs, the result can really be catastrophic. And there are very complicated state and federal regulations that govern these trucking companies. The regulations require the trucking companies to follow very detailed rules when they're hiring truck drivers and when they're operating their trucking company. And it requires that they keep a lot of records. So it's important that you have an attorney who knows these regulations and knows how to get these very important records from the trucking companies. And we've been helping people injured by commercial trucking companies for over 40 years. And it's really important that you have an attorney that understands these kind of cases and that has the resources to handle your case. So if you've been involved in a trucking accident, give us a call because we can help.